Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I...
Halo guys, ketemu lagi dengan saya Cupris Motovlog. Jadi video kita kali ini adalah bagaimana caranya mengubah rantai yang sudah jelek menjadi lebih menarik lagi. Penasaran? Ikuti terus video kita kali ini sampai selesai. Hal yang pertama kita lakukan adalah melepas rantainya dari motornya ya. Setelah itu sediakan bensin untuk mencuci kotorannya, karena rantai ini sangat rentan dengan karat ya. Kita bisa lihat setiap rantai itu pasti karatnya banyak banget. Nah, di sini Cupris cara menghilangkannya menggunakan bensin terlebih dahulu. Agar lebih maksimal, di sini Cupris membersihkannya dibantu dengan kuas ya. Kita oles-oles menggunakan bensin dan kuas. Setelah itu sediakan air bersih, lalu kita masukkan sabun ke dalamnya ya. Alangkah baiknya kita menggunakan sabun yang benar-benar kuat seperti yang saya pakai ini. Nah, di sini Cupris menggunakan sabun sunlight dan ini sedikit saya campuri lagi dengan sabun yang lain. Atau bisa menggunakan wipol ya, atau pembersih kamar mandi. Itu sangat ampuh untuk membersihkan kerak-kerak pada rantai. Setelah itu kita diamkan terlebih dahulu si rantai berada di baskom atau tempat pencuciannya selama beberapa menit ya. Kita bisa 10 menit atau lebih supaya kotoran atau bekas bensinnya benar-benar hilang. Nah, setelah kita cuci dan kotorannya benar-benar hilang, lalu kita siram pakai air mengalir. Hasilnya seperti ini teman-teman. Rantai jadi terlihat lebih bersih dan sisa minyaknya menghilang.
Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track, keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on, feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along, push myself to be the best, die with no regrets, live with every breath, see my message start to spread, and I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens, life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means, always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it, and the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing, never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
Setelah kita jemur dan dirasa airnya sudah menghilang, jangan lupa sebelum kita beri warna dasar atau primer grey, sebaiknya kita lap dulu menggunakan kain bersih supaya karat-karat yang masih tersisa itu benar-benar menghilang dari rantainya.
get just what I want, yeah. Rises like the sun, yeah. Fatal like a gun. Shooters gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I fall, yeah. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never
Oke, untuk step pertama untuk pengecatan sebaiknya kita menggunakan warna dasar primer grey dengan kode 9120, produk dari Diton Premium. Caranya sangat mudah, cukup kita semprotkan saja ke media tipis-tipis, kurang lebih 1-2 lapis saja ya, karena itu sudah cukup.
grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win, yeah. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best.
Untuk step berikutnya kita langsung naik ke warna dasar white dengan kode 9102, produk dari Diton Premium. Karena rencana pada hari ini kita menggunakan warna fluorescent yellow, jadi makanya kita menggunakan warna dasar putih.
Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only.
Untuk selanjutnya, jika warna putih sudah kering, saatnya kita menimpa dengan warna fluorescent yellow dengan kode 9014, produk dari Diton Premium. Semprotkan saja ke media tipis-tipis sampai benar-benar warna rata pada media.
Never done, I'll be number one. Working hella hard until I get just what I want, yeah. Rises like the sun, yeah. Fatal like a gun. Shooters gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I fall, yeah. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine, yeah. Everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
Untuk step berikutnya, untuk memasking warna yang kita lindungi, di sini Cupris menggunakan sabun cair ya. Nah, kita teteskan saja ke bagian yang kita pertahankan warnanya.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams.
Jika proses masking sudah selesai, saatnya kita naik ke warna black dengan kode 9109, produk dari Diton Premium. Caranya sangat gampang banget, cukup kita semprotkan saja tipis-tipis ke media sampai benar-benar warnanya merata pada media.
It's my only medicine, yeah. Everything I do, I'm just being genuine, yeah. I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline, yeah. I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path. If you want it bad, I'm gonna show you where it's at. Yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done. I'll be number one, working hella hard until I get just what I want. Yeah, rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooters gonna shoot.
Untuk step berikutnya, jika warnanya sudah merata dan kita jemur beberapa menit saja, saatnya kita menggosok bagian sabunnya supaya warnanya muncul kembali.
Wanna keep moving, yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine, yeah. Everything I do, I'm just being genuine, yeah. I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline, yeah. I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
Untuk proses berikutnya yaitu kita proses finishing clear. Di sini Cupris menggunakan produk dari Tone Premium dengan kode 9128 clear sekaligus aktivator. Jadi bisa kita gunakan untuk menge-clear ataupun untuk aktivator water transfer film, teman-teman.
Yeah. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up.
Oke guys, untuk hasil repaint rantai kita hari ini hasilnya seperti ini, teman-teman. Semoga menginspirasi teman-teman. Oke, sekian dari saya Cupris Motovlog. Jika ada kurang lebihnya dari video ini, Cupris minta maaf. Akhirul salam, wabillahi taufiq walhidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sampai ketemu lagi di video Cupris berikutnya. Terima kasih.
Stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once.